Hi, my name is Tyler Hall. I'm a senior technical consultant with Perficient. I'm joined today by my colleague, Hugo Calvillo, a technical architect. Today, we're going to be demonstrating a really awesome feature that Twilio is rolling out called Conversation Relay. Specifically, we'll be doing live translation between a demonstration customer and an agent within Twilio Flex. The agent will speak English and hear English, and the customer will hear Spanish and speak Spanish.
Por favor, espere mientras lo conectamos con un traductor. La sesión de traducción comenzará en breve.
Good afternoon, and thank you for calling Perficient Insurance. My name is Tyler, and I'll be assisting you today. It looks like there's a homeowner's insurance policy associated with your phone number. Am I speaking with Hugo Calvillo?
Buenas tardes y gracias por llamar a Perficient Insurance. Mi nombre es Tyler y le voy a ayudar hoy. Parece que hay una póliza de seguro de propietario asociada con su número de teléfono. Estoy hablando con Hugo Calvillo.
Buenas tardes, Tyler. Es correcto.
Good afternoon, Tyler. That's right.
What can I assist you with today, Hugo?
¿En qué puedo ayudarle hoy, Hugo?
Ayer hubo una tormenta muy fuerte por mi zona y un árbol cayó sobre mi casa. Nos dijeron que no podemos quedarnos aquí por los daños fueron muy graves. Así que quiero reportar el siniestro lo antes posible.
Yesterday, there was a very strong storm in my area and a tree fell on my house. They told us that we can't stay here because the damage was very serious. So I want to report the accident as soon as possible.
Absolutely. I'm so sorry that that happened to you. I can help you out with submitting the claim. I have your address on file as 8942 Sonora Pass in Helotes, Texas. Is that correct?
Siento mucho que eso le haya pasado a usted. Puedo ayudarle con la presentación de la reclamación. Tengo su dirección registrada como 8942 Sonora Path en Hello Days, Texas. ¿Es correcto?
Es correcto, Tyler.
That's right, Tyler.
All right, Hugo, I've submitted the claim. And I made sure to note that your house isn't habitable, so we can get someone out there as soon as possible.
Muy bien, Hugo. He presentado la reclamación y me aseguré de señalar que su casa no es habitable, así que podemos sacar a alguien lo antes posible.
Uf, gracias, qué alivio.
Thank you. What a relief.
Of course. Was there anything else I could help you with?
Por supuesto. ¿Hay algo más en lo que pueda ayudarle?
No, eso sería todo. Muchas gracias.
No, that would be all. Thank you very much.
Of course. Take care, Hugo.
Por supuesto. Cuídate, Hugo.
Twilio's Conversation Relay and Perficient's experience can enable contact centers to leverage existing agents to reach out to new customers, as you just heard with Hugo and myself. If you're interested in talking to us about the tech, we'd love to talk about how we could enable this technology for your contact center.